Algebra 1, Lesson 4, Review of Arithmetic. Now, if we go to the practice problems, we've got a lot of different problems here. We've got multiplication of mixed numbers, division of mixed numbers, addition, subtraction, multiplication of decimal numbers. We're not going to focus on all these. You guys should have these down pretty well by now. What we are going to focus on are these last two problems. Unit multipliers. And we're going to use unit multipliers to convert 75 feet to centimeters. And then we're going to, we'll go ahead and go to our work page. So if you remember with unit multipliers, you always have to start with your starting number. Now remember, we're going from feet to centimeters. So to do unit multipliers, you take your starting number, you turn it into a fraction over 1, and then you create a blank unit multiplier. Now, we have to convert. Now, to convert, we got to get rid of this word feet. If feet is on the top, to get rid of it, we have to put it on the bottom. And then to get to centimeters, we're going to have to go to a smaller unit. So we'll go from feet to inches. And there's 12 inches in 1 foot. Our first unit multiplier is filled in. Now, we have to take inches and we have to turn them into centimeters. So, since inches is on top, we put it on the bottom to eliminate it, and centimeters on the top. And we remember that there's 2.54 centimeters in 1 inch. From here, we cancel, and then we simplify our answer. So our answer is going to be 75 times 12 times 2.54 centimeters. And that's our final answer. Now we'll move on to practice H. Use 2 unit multipliers to convert 450 inches to miles. So we go over here, we're going to put our starting number. We're going from inches to miles, and we've got 450 inches. Put that over 1. Now the problem already told us we're going to use 2 unit multipliers, so I'll go ahead and draw those now. And we have to go from inches to miles. So if inches is on top, we have to put it on the bottom. Since we're going to miles, we have to go to a larger unit like feet, and we remember that there's 12 inches in 1 foot. Now from feet, we go, feet is on top, so we put it on the bottom. Feet can go into miles, and there's 5,280 feet in 1 mile. From here, we can cancel our words, and then we simplify our answer. We get 450 times miles over 12 times 5,280. And that's our answer. Again, on these problems, you have to memorize all of your unit conversions. Those should be in the back of your book in a chart. Looks like this. And you got to memorize... you got to memorize all of these. You have to memorize the U.S. customary, the metric, the weights, and then the liquids. The liquids, we probably won't have to worry about till later on in the school year, but you got to memorize this whole chart. This should all be knowledge that you have in your head, because you're not going to have them on the test. So you have to memorize your unit equivalencies, because you're going to need to use them on your unit multipliers.